Maternal health is not just about a mother's physical well being, it is about her emotional, mental, and social health too. It is about giving women the resources, support, and opportunities they need to thrive before, during, and after pregnancy. Every woman deserves access to quality prenatal care, the presence of a skilled birth attendants, and safe delivery options, regardless of where she lives or her socioeconomic background. Now, I would like to request Husna Subhan from SOS Children's Village School, Quetta, Pakistan, to share her thoughts.
Good afternoon, everyone. Assalamu alaikum. I am Husna Subhan. Today, I want to talk about something that affects all of us. How a healthy beginning start leads to a bright and successful future. A strong foundation in life gives us the strength, confidence, and energy to achieve our dreams. Without good health, education, and emotional support, it becomes difficult to reach our full potential. A healthy begins start healthy start begins with proper nutrition, regular exercise, and a clean environment. When children eat healthy food, stay active, and receive proper medical care, they grow up strong and full of energy. But health is not just about our bodies, it is also about our mental and emotional well being. When children feel loved, safe, and supported, they develop into confident individuals who can face any challenge. Another important part of a hopeful future is education. A child who receives proper education can make better decisions in life and contribute to society. But for education to be effective, students must be physically and mentally healthy. If a child is sick or stressed, learning becomes difficult. That is why it is important to take care of both health and education from the beginning. A bright future is just not for individuals, it benefits society. When we invest in health and education, we build a stronger, more successful community. We reduce poverty, create better job opportunities, and improve the overall quality of life. But ensuring a healthy beginning is not just the responsibility of parents or teachers. It is the responsibility of all of us. We must work together to provide clean water, healthy food, medical care, and a safe environment for every child. We must encourage habits like eating nutritious food, staying active, reading books, and showing kindness to others. Even small efforts can make a big difference. Helping someone in need, guiding a young student, or simply promoting healthy habits in our families and communities can lead to a brighter and more successful future for all. Let us take a step towards building a healthier and more educated society. A healthy building always leads to a hopeful future and successful future. Thank you.